Hello everyone, this is Sayyada Anha Tanish from Smart Indian Model School, and today we proudly introduce our new bus to you people and with the new features. So first of all, the very first feature is a footrest for our little ones. Moving forward with the internal features of our very new bus, and the two internal features are fire extinguishers and FAPS. FAPS, let me tell you in detail, is Fire Accident Prevention System, which protects students as well as everyone sitting in the bus with the help of fire and smoke detectors. And as the smoke detectors detect the smoke, the alarm there will buzzer, and the alarm there at the back also will buzzer. The driver will be looking and taking a direct action with that panel. The panel is well designed and easy to operate, and it can be operated by anyone at that emergency time. After the panel buzzer, the water will come from this vents as well. The water will splash and shower all over the area. God forbid when the fire will be there. As well, there are many features. For example, this is the glass breaker here for the emergency. At the back there is a emergency door also. Let me tell you, where is it? This is the emergency door, and it is very easy to break but hard at the same time. So this is a fire extinguisher also, which is placed for the engine, only for engine, and another fire extinguisher for the particular use. God forbid it will be used. Coming on to the first aid system, we have a first aid system as well. We have our GPS and CCTV cameras, by which we can monitor our students and their surveillance for the particular time and send them to the particular places and their stops. Thank you so much.